done with the CNC, just make sure to tear everything down. Things like cleanup, that's really important. Don't leave any dust or debris lying around. There's always going to be a vacuum in the little room that has the big dust collector in it, so you can grab that and just go around the machine, try to get everything. Make sure that your tool is out of the holder. So if you're tearing down, you're obviously going to have to take the key out of the spindle ignition to get this wrench back. It's basically a fail-safe to keep you from running the machine or running the spindle and doing a tool change at the same time. So it's kind of like a stopgap mechanism. So to get it out, it's exactly what you would think. It's the reverse of how you put it in. So instead of, when tightening, this wrench was against this piece of metal, instead you're going to want to find the wrench above it. You're going to want to put it in place, and you're going to want to put that smaller wrench against the piece of metal, and make sure that your hand is fully open. Don't close your hand on the wrench, because you could easily kind of smush it in between the wrench and the metal. So all it is, just get it, there you go. And then do it a little bit extra, just to make sure that it takes a couple extra turns, and that's a good thing. It's a little tricky sometimes. There we go. So again, I just do the opposite. I hold the holder and I spin it out so that it's free. Raise that again. And then just disassemble everything. So if you're borrowing the shop's tools, make sure to put them all back in their little homes in this tray. Wrench is included. So that's all in. You're ready to put that back. It lives. Oops. It lives over here. I don't know if that's, but probably know that. This is this little cubby hole. And then, oh yeah, so I'm going to shut everything off. V-carb's off. The shop lock control is off. I'm going to turn off the red button again. Sorry, I already did that, but that's going to turn off. You're going to hear the fan power down, and you're going to be able to move it freely again because it's not engaged. So as a habit, I would always shut down the machine entirely, including the PC, so that it has time to just kind of rest. It's not good to keep any computer on permanently forever. So just go to the Windows Start button, go to the power options, and choose Shut Down. And then you save a little energy too. So then once that's off, make sure that you also turn the monitor off, so you're not keeping that on for no reason. You have to hold down the back button for a little bit so that it fully shuts off. And then you should be good to go. As long as your area is clear, don't leave any of your stuff behind or any of your scrap behind, and you should be good to pass it on to the next person. So yeah, that's pretty much it.